This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Frank Filippone. Wonderful home in sought-after area of Virginia Beach, with many improvements made since owner took over, starting in 2016 the roof, siding, gutters, and HVAC system with new duct work and two-zone system added and replaced, 2017 new fencing, 2018 replaced water heater and new external doors, May 2019, added drainage system for gutters and backyard. Added pavers to backyard behind garage. Summer 2020, new insulated garage doors and opener. 2021, deck replaced and refreshed garage trim and porch. Nothing to do here but move in. For more information, review the details below or contact Frank Filippone at 1757-418-1957.